Hey guys, welcome back to HubClick. In this video, I'll be showing you or be discussing with you how to fix bank account link problem with PayPal. But first, check your special offer in the description. So let's get started. So if you're having issues with linking your bank account here inside PayPal, well, there are a few things that you may want to know. Now, the thing with PayPal here, if you're trying to link a bank account, you need to make sure that the bank account that you are linking is in the same region or in the same country as your PayPal account. Now, if you're not aware yet, if you create or when you first create your PayPal account here, typically people will ask, "What's your current country?" Like for example, if you answer Australia, you want to make sure that the country or the bank account or the country of the bank account that you're trying to link is in the same country. Now, in some cases, you may be able to link a US bank account, but then again, it's still a case to case basis. Sometimes it's accepted, sometimes it's not. Now, if you're sure that your bank account is actually in the same country, well, the next thing that you may want to do here is you want to make sure that all the details on your PayPal account is actually matches with your bank account. Let's just say your name does not match the bank account name. So there's a big possibility that PayPal here would reject the connection. So if that's the case, you may want to go ahead and go back to your PayPal account here, go to your settings at the top right, and you want to go and just update all the necessary information. So you may want to update your name, your contact details, and even your address here, just to be on the safe side. Now, another thing that you may want to do is you want to make sure that your PayPal account or your bank account has not been linked to other PayPal accounts. Now, typically you can use or you can link your bank account to up to a maximum of 3 PayPal accounts. Now, if you already reached that threshold and this is your fourth PayPal account, well, in this case, PayPal will reject the connection. So in this case, you may want to disconnect your bank account with your other PayPal accounts and try reconnecting again and see if that actually helps. Now, speaking of connecting your people or your bank accounts here to different people accounts, well, the thing with people accounts, well, if a people account or the bank account that is linked to a people account previously was banned or was limited, well, there's a huge possibility this will also affect your other people accounts, meaning there's an undergoing investigation, so you won't be able to link that same bank account to other people accounts in the future. So in this case, you may want to resolve any issues that you may be encountering on your old people account. Maybe check your notifications here and see what you can actually do. Now, you may need to reach out to support to have this fixed. And finally, if you still can't connect your bank account here with your current PayPal account, you want to guarantee that the information that you're entering here, like for example, the bank name, bank code, and even account number, are correctly spelled. Now, sometimes there might be an extra space, some zeros at the very end, so make sure to remove that and see if that actually helps. And by the way, if you're trying to link a US bank account, just make sure to use the link a US bank instead, just to be on the safe side. But that's about it. So, if you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button, and watch our next video.